Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 10 pounds in only 1 week. This is going to help you to lose that belly fat and burn calories. This is also wonderful for those who are having thyroid issues, okay? So this is a natural remedy for weight loss as well as health. During quarantine, everyone's lifestyle has become sedentary, which is why so many of us have gained a few pounds. One of the easiest way to control fat accumulation is having a cup of garlic tea every morning, every day. Help to keep you in shape and prevent common infections. Now let me show you some of the things that you're going to be needing for this video. You're going to start off with 3 garlic cloves. Garlic boosts energy levels and helps in efficient calorie burning. It helps in losing weight by improving your body's metabolism, and it suppresses your appetite. Garlic has strong detoxifying properties that helps with flushing out toxins from the body. It also reduces inflammation, increases blood circulation, and boosts immunity. A piece of ginger root, a lemon, and honey. Now today I'm going to be using my black seed with honey because I want the extra added benefits. The benefits of black seed with honey are as follows. It helps you with diabetes, dry cough, sexual weakness, impaired vision, alopecia, epileptic seizures, anemia, rhinitis, teeth problems, heart stroke, dermatitis, blood clotting, anti-aging, cholesterol, body weight, hepatitis, digestion problems, intestinal problems, gastric, ulcer, immunity, bones strength, diarrhea, constipation, childbirth, urination problems, antidote, heart attack, flu, gallstones, inflammation of nose and throat, kidney stones, asthma, bronchial, respiratory problems, eye diseases, nasal congestion, backache, rheumatic, hypertension, heart ailments, cancer, premature ejaculation, hair loss, eye infection, pain, weak sight, as well as nausea. And the list goes on. So get your bottle. You can find it in my eBay store. As well as with 2 cups of water. Okay, so you're going to need a pot or a pan, and I'm going to pour my water into my pan so that it can start boiling. In the meantime, I'm just going to chop up my garlic into pieces. And put it into my pan. Next, I'm going to de-skin my ginger root. Okay, and you can grate this or chop it into pieces. Okay, and then add that into your pan as well. Now I'm going to take my lemon, and I'm only going to use half. And what I like to do is I like to use the skin of the lemon. Well, first of all, let me squeeze the juice. And put the skin inside. Put the meaty part inside. Okay. And just let that boil for at least 5 minutes. And then I'll be back after these announcements. Now, if you are living under a rock and have not already been visiting or purchasing from my personal eBay store, then I don't know what else to tell you, because you are definitely losing out with these wonderful herbal honeys that help men and women in the bedroom. Well, I have some awesome honeys that will boost your body up. That's great for the libido. That's great for the testosterone. That's great to strengthen your stamina, change the mood, increase the sperm count. It helps with that powerful stamina, that stand tall longevity. So check out my eBay store for these herbal honeys that's going to help you in the bedroom and along with your play. All right, this is great for both men and women, and it comes with so many wonderful benefits. Check down below in my eBay store, and when you check out the item, check in the description where it will tell you so much about the item, what you should expect from it. Okay, you're not going to see these things on YouTube. You're not going to see anybody else promoting this. This is original, and it's only seen on this channel. Okay, so like I said, visit down below in my eBay store. The links will be down in the description box of this video, and you will be able to have access to all of these awesome items in my store. All right, so until the next time, you guys, have fun. Okay, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, family. This is the Beverages coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock, because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works. Okay, this tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you, along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below. Okay, so now that our tea is ready, I'm just going to pour this into my cup. And then I'm going to use my black seed and honey. Now for those of you who do not know how to use this, you use it just like regular honey. It is very thick. All of my herbal honeys are the same way. They're very thick. So they're going to look like that. Okay, that's all the wonderful benefits in there, all the juiciness. I'm just going to add that in and stir that into my glass. So just know that the honeys come like a paste form, but they do dissolve in warm and hot beverages. Okay, and your tea is ready. Now you drink this in the morning as well as also at night for the extra added benefits. And this is what's going to help to slim you down, get rid of that bloated belly, burn the calories and the fat, and it's also going to help you with thyroid issues. If you're having any type of inflammation in your thyroid area or in your body, this is going to help you. This is one of the reasons why I also included the black seed with honey to help with inflammation and all sorts of other things, as well as this is also good for weight loss. Okay, so you guys, I just want to bring this easy recipe to you where you can lose 10 pounds in 1 week, and this is going to burn that belly fat, burn the calories, and get you slim and right for the summer. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Check out down below in the Amazon affiliate links for these wonderful items, for the personal size and full size blender, as well as the wonderful metal straws, as well as check out my eBay store where you will see all of the herbal honeys like the black seed with honey, okay, as well as my other honeys. I have honeys for men, honeys for women, okay, to raise your testosterone level, to help you with your libido, help you with your desire and your mood. I have so many honeys down there, so go and check them out, as well as also these wonderful herbs and spices to help boost your body up, boost your immune system up for weight loss, boost your immunity. Okay, so you guys, I thank you so much for joining me. Also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare, beauty care vlogs, and fashion hauls. All right, and don't forget, your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will check you out again in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Vlogs introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.